Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have to make banana cream pie. I have this pie crust that I baked a while ago. It's cold. And now I have to blend half a cup of white sugar, 2 tablespoons flour, and 2 tablespoons cornstarch, teaspoon of salt. I mix it up here. And I have to blend this together. It says I add a little hot milk. I have hot milk in here. Try to put 2, 3, 4, 5. Stir this mixture into a hot milk here until it's thickened. Should be a good boil. Start thickening now. And I have to remove this from the heat. I have to shut this off. Add 2 yolks in here. And a vanilla, about a teaspoon. Two tablespoons of margarine. Stir it together. And I have to slice a banana. I line a cold baked pie shell with bananas and I add a filling. And here's my banana cream pie. Let it cool and it should be ready. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye. Thanks a lot.